How to add a recipe to an item in Unity Enterprise. To successfully add a recipe to an item, all ingredients must first be created as products within Unity Enterprise. For the purposes of this video, we will use a cheeseburger as an example. We will now follow these steps to link a recipe. Step 1. Click on Manage Products. Search for the item that needs a recipe. Cheeseburger. Step 2. Click on the pen icon to edit. Step 3. Now click on Recipes. Step 4. Click on the plus icon to begin listing the ingredients. Click on Select and type in bun. Now click on bun and enter the quantity as 1. Now we click on the plus icon again and type in patty. Next we select the required quantity of patties by adding 1 as this is a single burger. We click on the plus icon again to add tomatoes. You will click on Select and type in tomatoes. Click on tomatoes and as the unit of measure for tomatoes is in kilograms, you will insert the quantity as 0.065 grams. To add onions, we click on the plus icon again and type in onions. You will now insert the correct quantity of onions, which is 0.040 grams. Now for the cheese, click on the plus icon again and click on Select and type in cheese. You will select the required cheese type, cheese slice, and add the correct quantity required, which is 1 slice. For our last and final step, we will click the tick icon to save your changes. You have now successfully linked a recipe in Unity Enterprise.